So, as I went for a walk this grand rising to hug a tree, I pressed my heart upon the trunk of the tree, feeling my heart beating against the sturdiness of the tree limb. I felt a place to feel safe here. The cool morning breeze reminded me how present life is and that I am here. I started to relax some more. I started to feel at home. My heart said, "Welcome," and the tree, and look at the breeze and everything around me. My it's like everything picked up on my frequency that I felt at one with life and nature.